cruising inside news of Ghana. Sports more. Breaking news. More breaking news around the world of sports. Subscribe, subscribe. Share with others. Sports time with Sankizito live studio closet inside news of Ghana. Sports more.
Okay. Yencha once again. Yes. Now, Yenfa another episode of Fantastic Sports Update. Our video coins are him Bobuano Sports. And around 10 times we need the Derek Kizito. Yes, on this edition, Poke Crow, World Cup money. Home Komobiwaha, ACADNT operation, as a Kotoko player could be, yes, and it's a lot of information kakraba if a World Cup money. Kotoko Chita ni bibisa hon samba community and sabi any do musico bisa and a munche mono yeba to janti World Cup money no yeba baba mu at the amount with regards to this episode. Na as I justice to Kotoko Lions no and a home pie bahudua echa edi go nyina no at the amount FA Cup no ye ho adwuma edema but obi bisa ho asem bi and also yeba carbon na very big fantastic 4 stories. Eddie amount on this episode. We need the Derrickson Kizito players in Indiana.
More breaking news. More breaking news. Around the world of sports. Subscribe. Share with others.
Okay, and you're going to be Wahania de Frafran T. Youngquay. Santa Kotoko. Yamibwa match day 21 preparation a toja and a training back on Ebekos Lions and Kotoko Lions so a training near Dinano a Koso Kama opponent watch in next episode. Yadebe brought not Bibia a toja for Heart of Lion Hono and also Yadi abroad Kama but on this episode here Yanya Jumawe and Famount Oko League log on a swap table position Kotoko at a second position Lions was 7th. I feel league, Lions, as of March 20, Ayabono, I win 7 times, Kotoko winning 9 times, and I draw 6 times. Lions, Etumi Enya, and 8 draws, Akwama Kotoko. But of course, Lions, I lose 7 times, and I Kotokonsu, I lose 3 times. Yes, clean sheet, I would do appear more fino for the team. See, our boy, young concede, Lions enya 10 times and I think so Bobo Kwasante Kotoko enya 13 good times. Na feel liga yebo ya hum pentenkwa. Yes, Heart of Lion on biggest victory was against Bobo Kwo from the Wonders. Obucha eka 9. Yes, and omo a defeater na omo numbers a draw so mo concede here was 3-0 against Bobo Kwo Dreams FC. Kotoko as usual, became any muma almost 6-0. Biggest victory this year. And team of Ashi Adodo so bass like a 2-1. You do first round, I feel like come on, but for this year, for last 5 meetings between Kotoko and the Lions, Emma, it doesn't look good for Kotoko. Last 5 meetings, the tier NA dated back to September 17th, 2023. Kotoko Lions about draw February 24th, 2024. Lions, a former the pride of Aibe, Womoshaka Bako, Emma Santi Kotoko and to me and say, go further. Someone say 53rd minute goal. Emma Lions, sa game no na Nicolas Mensah, Kotoko player on your yellow card in Munu into a free 58 minutes. Done a red card. Kotoko bought 10 against 11. That was February 24th. 2024. You call 2024 on November 3rd. When you know league games, yes, dated 2023. And I'm call Isaac Watcham era. No, you two barene one derby. Where you 5 times I assume recent 5 meetings, and I can't come away. San any pan beside and two so do their bar. You better work Juma at the amount. Dear Tiana say November 3rd, 2024. Kotoko etina firma Lions. Ebe kwa my kaba kwa 90 mi antie eye Kwadwo Ben Junior and I said 28 minutes goal and April 6 2025 Lions share kabako and Kotoko share kabako Justice Blay and 45 minutes plus 3 minutes at that time yebeko first half na no share goal yeba ya on famra one fan cause 7th minute and Fauzi Ali take come on here 1-1 at the point here na afen so last meeting ya two teams share ya yen share be ma yesa be share no October 5 2025 yes October 5 2025 Kotoko tina fie wan shabi Lions so eba away wan shabi 0-0 and a PM and to say na obidi and fantu jano last 5 meetings Kotoko and winning baako kra last 5 meetings between these two teams Kotoko 0 victory she draw me and sa and a Lions and winning 2 and ACAC yawa adwuma yo of a K5 mumiamu na we cannot to miss this point ya make say be high na say saranda man microphone you throwing the tower no for media mamo we need to give them the heat yemfa heat ni nam of a K5 way me offer kweku amponsa offer ma de nyina wadama Fred Fred safu jamfi na Fred of a 40 nyina na monka mom of a utimi me di nkunim a more club na club de eno ani beer into of a boy na mummiem paibonum na training kwaso no momfa nsansono ne aden srasra nkrofo na ho the sum ne ntimi nkonkwese nkunim die ne mra na Lions wo ya boogie side ene amaye into of ase hye wo mo de a ene beer de eno ani club wo fa ase me ho adwuma e de ama kama nti we a special message and I'm there man of a K5 and no okay obi nso bi sa Kizito yesraw World Cup no okay me ba no so ehia pa eno de because World Cup sika breakdown they are very imperative me de ba ma nam se Kotoko player be ko bi na me ba be ma just ni nyina now the tiane say obi bi sa FA Cup na ye bo no Kizito has a free na any has a game in as much as so benya 1 week rest no send the yankasi and so yan qualify yenso ehia wo mu de wo mpa ibi abo has for the munye serious so eti enfo masa me ya asamunka ntititani wada roma we nya topic misrewa ana de ehia o second question na ehia ne say o say has folk ye bo FA Cup ye nya yellow card na has for na etifie di do no na ye player na suspended o mo has ni bia na nam so bia ntisa of how there you for no asisem kakra ha asisem unya FA Cup na ye di deliver FA Cup it doesn't affect the Premier League enti eno so nchemu kakra ye de ema ye tifo ewo mu sa pepe penti ofa manen how say FA Cup na ye ne adwana for bebo no say em fan say ye bo wie ni nya problem wo say bia player bia di record kra he's eligible to play for the league and I'm say yes see ha no accumulated yellow card no ema this is what we know now and we are dey ma ye offer na ye na no kama okay obi so a question yakwa investigation kakra ye World Cup money now obi say Kizito World Cup money no e sha se yi abeya ye ni abri na Kotoko e be dey na enya bie enu de ehia pa sama moya me enya bia ma haye nti kwan be so ene ye be fa World Cup money ye betumi enya bie na bibia atumi akaso kama okay World Cup money no yabeka say afi 2010 yes afi 2010 and I betumi aka cho say empanyufo a ewo European football num ni ade no etena ase dwene honhu say no say yetimi bua na teams a eko World Cup no ye fight sika for them enti way back no na World Cup no oya ayisa eka no a but se si ade ekwamu abie ama teams na wodo nyina etimi etoa so enyeska World Cup mu a eno enchemu kakra eba ewo mu nti na enipa na ibisa se ebede na Kotoko yenya bi na yenso bibia timi awie nkunimdie so edi ama enyame di adom a Asante Kotoko dia metete nkomo a ye pue mu enyina ne se yes empanyifo mpese sounds no twa bia bekoso nti Asante ebetimi anya ne rep kama akobi ba ne nyina ba besi mu players no so monyere mo ho na bibia ntimi nkɔ so enipa no bisa say abet amwa World Cup is here selecting so nkobo bi ma Ghana sika na FIFA becheche no per days club money no ebekɔ your friend team no say any team na obo Libya no yes anasa ebeba Asante Kotoko ho answer me de mawi is from FIFA official media hub and ye bisaye and also a justice to it and ye de mawo say abet amwa etiminya World Cup noda enye FIFA rule yes we a FIFA any class and a tenase and omudi rule your friend FIFA club benefit program na e wo mu say player a loan na say selected for World Cup compensation money no will be distributed among all clubs player no abo all clubs are registered with during the 2-year period proceedings before the tournament. I mean, reading I said the compensation is distributed among all clubs the player was registered with during the 2-year period preceding the tournament. And to be about current team, no, and then the club or my turn, that's what I'm about to bono, or be chescano. A woman say, Ebia, team of Libya, no, Benghazi, Womo, and a mother club for Abet Amwa. But Asante Kotoko loan, no, and I'm say falling within the 2 years, and you know, El Alifono, Ebenyabi, na Kotokonso Enyabi, all things being equal. The payment is split proportionality based on the time the player was registered with each club during the 2-year qualification window. Duration. Compensation covers the official release period, starting 2 weeks before the opening match until the day after the player's team is eliminated. Nasikan amount, no? The payment is calculated on a daily basis, approximately $10,000 US. 9,000.999. But approximately $10,000 US. Every day, the club who play a Echo World Cup will receive $10,000 for all clubs involved. Into 3 a year, now you have 3 players to World Cup. Every day, we are guaranteed $30,000 freaky dollars. Every day, so when you have 2 players, we are guaranteed a bond only 2 weeks or 2 weeks. Every day, 2 weeks. We have 10,000. How do you know 2 players? And he has the operation 10,000. But I could do many. So goalkeeper no Kobe has come offers above from goalkeeper and bomb share 10,000. There be 10,000 times ABR 80 cry and now times ABR 14 days. Hell no, I'm on permanent call. And he has goalkeeper no one better after the World Cup. Believe you me, and no. Into many catching a friend say Agbesina dim comma say 1 year penal signing about crash so renew. Almost as Ashan comma say crash so renew in the sense that Wunia a friend say offer Asare or World Cup no bar and the cray come will be anti or court you now gentleman agreement or call. But he didn't dear so answer into renew and a boy is also in Crawford the home come on. Into another just any big cream. Into Kotoko 4 players no master any abro. More born should go more ball. Anya near 10,000 movie. They be 10,000. I gonna be 2 weeks crowd America ha 10,000 times 2 weeks. I say, hey, Scott, German. Why what is some to me money cap papa my money in yamu bakum you no World Cup. Now World Cup no crowd. I'm just saying FIFA betting there 30 players so you made it no and yet confirm. But minimum say 26. But there's so more consider 30. Kay 30 and kayo not yet to me not I. Jeff, ready and then wow, you near your hand when you're not yen to me and Kobe. The payment is calculated on a daily basis, approximately $10,000 per day, $10,000 per day for each club. Just remember the and on to where beside no and on this episode, yeah, the amount. Nchemono tough abom nyina se Kotoko. You choose Albert Amwa, you choose Kwam Puku so nko wake up ni bia ya na be sika. 10,000 ni nyina be bia ho. Na emom sa Albert Amwa nam se the parent club any Boboko Benghazi na Libya nti no. Benghazi team no be for 5,000 a day. Kotoko be for $5,000 a day. This is the explanation. FIFA se me mfama Kotoko chitafo. Kotoko nya bro, nya select by chekisika. Enti chitafo monko stadium no monko more na players no nso nyere wo mo monyere mo ho we lord amu ase so ko work up ni bio bo bia to misi bo nti monyere mo ho monya na monko bi lord amu akobi na abetamu asu kokra na 5 10 10 10 5 ya split ya 5 no over 5 say enya bad money but lord amu monyere mo ho na bibia nkoso samba nkomo no ka fan career the samba there is in me na ya ba from where willing to stay me dia matete me nkomo bibia betumi asesa in just a split there but go for mum pushi and also komo na mudi na efe emfa nti unya beta mu akra ma le kobi ni nya 5,000 if 10,000 any Benghazi for ni cha na kachi this boy na this oh samba Samba so the nyina ba nye 15,000 a day. A day. The ba na dey abeto wa fada kwajacho. 15,000 ye beje sa na otwumi no. France Ghana ye bebo group matches pa ni abafie mpa. Ye ya ade nso koye na Samoa jam de ni bia se enye ska o. Enti abusia monyere mo ho. FIFA na mko wuraye se de beche ska na bia ma nti. Ema obi anka se bia se but abeta mo aye fa na ye. Ye fa abeta ye. Ya ebebo apa na work up in Libya, you know, every day, club be our player will be we entitled for $10,000. Into a basa rules now allow Kotoko for 5,000. Na Benghazi for no for 5,000. And I'm saying follow within the 2 years, you know. Sana is a tier. But catching they say Samba a could be there every day be entitled for 10,000. House from the Omudi Akwajo in Accra. So I sorry cool every day be 10,000. Nti ade na yemi anu mon kran anya player ko ne de yem pushi bi ti final kro mu kuma say fans no mo ko stadium yem pushi boys no at least nya one nod na intim ko work up no na yesu nya skani we need Kizito bomaden ho na kon Constantine am de me ne call from no na subscribe na yini nkoma ha de ahim free sports ahim bo no sports and I de esomwa ha Kizito the page ni ni
we are breaking once and inside news of Ghana, present inside news of Ghana, sports more breaking news around the world of sports. Subscribe, share with others. Present inside news of Ghana.